Welcome to the Learning Academy. Let us explore the Google animation tool Toontastic. Now, Toontastic is basically one of our favorite animation tools. So what it offers is a list of characters and various settings so you can basically create your storyline. So we're going to select Toontastic. We're going to select basically a short story. And as you can see, this is the beginning of the story. You can add other sections to it if you want to. You can add another middle, another end, which is just fascinating. You just extend the length of your animation, right? So we could start at the beginning. Let's start at the beginning. Okay. So what is going to happen now? We're going to select the tick. And it's going to take us, because we're finishing with our editing. Now we're going to go
where you introduce the characters and the setting of your story.
Right. So this is, it gives us a little intro to each section, and then you can, let's explore. Here is Fruit Ninja Studio. There is the Explorers. There is Atlantis. There is the Spy setting. There's Spooky Camp. There's Earpunk setting, right? So that is also, if you want to create your own, you can also draw your own. Look at that. You can draw your own setting if you wanted to. This is how you draw your own setting, right? However, we're not going to draw our own setting today. We're going to delete it. We're going to go to the ship shape cove, right? Now there are many characters, right? And you can use them wherever you want to use them. You can also draw your own characters. However, there are set characters that go with a particular setting. But today, we are just going to freestyle. We're going to try, if we find the pirates, we're going to put them there. So we select one pirate. This one is a pirate as well. That one seems to be a pirate as well. We're going to use that character as well. You can use up to 6 characters. And I'm trying to find a parrot, because you know a parrot is a critical part of any pirate story. However, I can't find the parrot, so I'm going to use that eagle there to suffice. Then what you do next, and your characters just fall into the scene. Now I would advise for you to explore the scene. Right, so you see, look there, right, and they come off the island. Then there's water, there's a shark out there, and this is in the ship, and this is on the deck. Now when you want to figure out what your characters can do, you touch your characters, right, and they will move. So let's return to our characters who are on deck. It's another fascinating part of the ship, right? Things on the set can move as well. So he dances, right? He does that. He's a skeleton. And then look at him. This is what he does, and that's what the bird does. And you can move them. They can move them, right? You can move them whenever you want. You can move them, right? There are things on the ship that can move as well. See, I got the globe to spin, the rudder to spin as well. So you can bring your characters up here. Let's see if the lights would come on, and you will get a bell sound from that. Let's see what happens with the skeleton. All right, so we could take the bird. We could, you see your characters travel with you. The sail, I can't get the sail. Yes, see, look at that. Now I have just gotten that to move, and there are many things. Right, look at that. I touch the volcano and it explodes. Right, and the shark, I make him disappear. Wow, I made him swim. Look at that. So basically, and we say start, and we would record our scene. Right, so basically what you're doing is, while you're doing all of this, you're just recording, and it will record your voice, and it will record all screen movements that you have. And basically that is the amazing tool called Toontastic. You stop it when you want to start over, or if you've completed that scene, it will replay it for you. You can add music, right? You can add whatever music choice you want to set the mood, and then what you do, you select that and it will move along and save it, and you move along to the other section and you add the characters again. And what you keep doing, you keep adding the characters and selecting a particular scene that you want until you have completed your story, basically. And we proceed. This is a new setting. This is, yes, and we will show you other exciting things that can happen here. And we press start. We're starting our scene. Let's see what our characters will do. Look at that. Let's explore what the characters will do. Yeah, so you see, this is a duplicate character. I put that character in twice, so you can create twins and triplets on your scene, right? And let's explore this setting. Very scary, right? And look at that. That's the helipad. Let's see what this will do. Well, nothing is functioning in this one. Well, okay, we see that. We can't close that. These things work, right? Look at that. And I guess that's about it for this one. So as we explore, stop recording here as well for that scene, and basically we can add our music again, but then we're going to select tick and move on. Now when this is all finished, we want to select finish, and then we're going to put a title. Say it is drama, and we are going to select done, and you that's it, done. You can choose your name there as well, and you select that, and what happens is that it will show you a review of it, and you can go and edit it if you would like. Yes, you can edit it. It will run its course. All right, you see all whatever we did. This is our animation. This is our first animation movie, right? So you allow it. You can close it out if you don't want to look at it anymore. You can go to edit if you want to and choose the section that you want to edit, right? If you say finish, basically you go back and finish there, and we click OK. We're okay with it as is. So basically what the edit would have done is to show us how to add a different music. Maybe we didn't want that music that we had chosen for the tone anymore, so we would have basically said okay, we are finished with that. So here it is again, giving us another review of what took place earlier, and it's giving us our second scene. This is what we did. This is just a short thing that we did in our second scene, right? And that will end soon. We explored a little and we browsed around the place a little to see what it had to offer on this set, and then soon it will be finished. Basically it's just for you to edit and confirm that this is what you want, and then once you finish basically looking or editing your animation, you will be good to go to move on to the next step. So this is Toontastic, and then you can choose to export it or you can choose to delete it, right? So you click export. What is going to happen is that it will be saving this animation to your library, to your Toontastic library. However, we don't want to do this at times, so we're going to cancel. So we have canceled it, so it has not been saved. Right, thank you for watching today. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This has been the Learning Academy. Please leave your comments below and let us know which other topics you'd like us to explore.